Thanks for joining us again, folks. Here we're going to take a look at the Access Limited tonneau cover, the absolute premium tonneau cover offered by those guys. Comes with accessories like the easy retriever seen here, a bed light, very convenient for seeing in the dark there with the tonneau closed, and a complete tailgate seal. Everything you're going to need for install is included: the tonneau cover itself, rails. The only tools that you'll need are going to be a 1/2-inch socket and wrench, and a hand clamp. Makes things very easy, as you'll see first thing with Joe putting on his first rail. That hand clamp just keeps that in place. That way you can monkey around with the clamps and get those tightened up and nice and snug with your 1/2-inch wrench. Start in the middle. Try and make sure the teeth on that do match up with the teeth on the rail itself. Moving to the tailgate and then to the front. And of course, you'll want to repeat this process on the opposing side. Moving on, we're going to place the bulkhead seal at the front of your pickup bed there. Make sure that it's nice and clean. The 3M tape is very, very, very strong, but if there's dust and debris in its way, it will not work as designed. Next, we're going to take additional bolts, 1/2-inch bolts, placing them on the tonneau cover here. That's your tensioning system. You don't want to tighten up all the way quite yet. Hand tight will work. That'll allow you to make sure your tonneau cover is nice and taut when you need it, or if it's too tight, you can loosen it up easily. Once you have it placed, make sure your cover is nice and centered between the rails. There's a front seal on the tonneau cover as well, flap seal. Make sure that that is folded inward and ensure that your straps are also on the inside of your pickup bed. Now, as you can see here, Joe's going to go ahead and tighten up his first bolt for that tensioning system. That 1/2-inch socket and wrench is going to come in very handy today. Then tighten down the tonneau cover's bolt and move on to the next side. Time to install some of those accessories you're going to get with the limited cover. First, we're going to make sure that the easy retriever's holders are in place. Really easy. All you'll need is a screwdriver. Give those guys a little bit of a snug fit there. You can place it wherever you like. We like to have them towards the end of the bed. That way your easy retriever is always within grasp. We're going to move on to installing a bed light. Now, same kind of process as the seals we've used for the tonneau cover. Simple peel and stick installation. Just make sure that you do place this far enough ahead so that your tailgate won't come into contact with it, and let there be light. We're going to move on to the trail seal tailgate gasket. Here, you're going to want to measure your first side. Give it a snip. Again, very, very important, folks. Make sure that you clean all surfaces really, really well before applying the 3M adhesive stuff. Just want to make sure it sticks on there for you as good as possible. And apply a little bit at a time. Make sure you get maximum coverage there. Using the seal from the other side, the seal's protective layer there on the 3M, you can actually measure your other side. Makes it a little easier. Moving on to that bottom portion, again, you're going to want to measure that out. Get your preferred length or needed length there right away. Then just peel and stick. It does help with these longer pieces to go little bits at a time. That way you don't have one portion ending up to stick to something you don't want it to. A complete package, certainly. The Access Limited cover comes with everything you're going to need for the best experience possible for a tonneau cover. Thanks for checking us out, folks. Come on over and join us at RHRSwag.com.